Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about blower motor for Middleby Marshall part #273810023. The blower motor for Middleby Marshall part #273810023 is a direct replacement part for Middleby Marshall ovens. It is a single-phase, 3-speed motor that is designed to provide the necessary airflow to the oven's heating elements. The motor has a power rating of 1/4 HP and runs at 1725 RPM. It is designed to be used with a variety of Middleby Marshall oven models, including PS360, PS540, PS570, PS590, and PS610. The motor features an integrated thermal overload protection system that helps protect the motor from overheating and damage due to excess. This part fixes the following symptoms. The blower motor for Middleby Marshall part #273810023 is used to replace a faulty or worn-out blower motor in Middleby Marshall ovens. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, the fan not running, or the fan running too slowly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the access panel from the back of the oven and locate the blower motor. 3. Disconnect any wiring harnesses connected to the blower motor and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new blower motor in place of the old one, making sure to reconnect any wiring harnesses that were disconnected in step 3. 5. Securely fasten the blower motor to its mounting bracket using screws or bolts as necessary. 6. Replace the access panel and restore power to the oven. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.